To hodl or to trade? That's the big question everybody's asking themselves, because you can make a good amount of money just holding coins. On the other hand, maximize your profits if you trade the correct way. For that to happen, you need to recognize a pattern, and I've done that. I want to share it with you guys today on our Tactic Thursday, the ultimate ICO trading strategy. Understand, this is not financial advice, just my experience that I want to share with you guys. And for this trading strategy to work, there's certain requirements that have to be met. First of all, this has to be an ICO where a lot of people are interested in, and also the hard cap is reached. Ideally, there's even a whitelist that only a limited amount of people get in on the ICO. So basically there's two different scenarios, and the first one is that the token comes out at ICO price, and in this case the price is usually going up. Why? Because the price is determined by supply and demand, and there's a lot of people who didn't get in on the ICO and now they want to buy it when it hits the open market. An example for that would be Bancor. It was one of the largest ICOs at the time, raising over 150 million within just 3 hours. So the people who didn't buy it at the ICO, they bought it once it hit the open market. During the ICO, for 1 Ethereum, you will get 100 Bancor, and after the ICO, for 100 Bancor, you will get 1.3 Ethereum. So that's a 30% increase, and my advice to you, don't be too greedy and take it. In the second scenario, the token is coming out between 3 to 10 times as high as at the ICO price, or even higher. In that case, make sure you sell your tokens as fast as possible. Why? Because other people are doing the exact same thing, and the price can drop really fast, like we saw in this Liqua ICO. At the same time, don't expect that you can sell it at Binance right away. They're usually just open or listed at a smaller exchange, so you have to make an account, send your funds over there, and sell your tokens. Also, what you can add to the strategy is once the price drops below the ICO price, it's going into what I call the buying zone. So basically, if it's a good ICO, you can start to buy the coin again and experience another 30 to 50%, maybe even more, like you saw in the Zerion Labs ICO. Also, I want to give you guys an advice on hodling. Me personally, I would just hodl ICOs which have the potential to go into the top 20 like IOTA or Neo. The people who invested in those ICOs are basically millionaires by now. However, the way the ICO landscape is looking at the moment is that there's an initial spike, but then they're usually in a downward trend. So if you want to be informed about ICOs where you can use this strategy, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I will be covering the most exciting ICOs at the moment. Also, every Thursday we have our Tactic Thursdays where we will give you basic and expert knowledge about ICOs in general.